Want to make money with AI art without being an artist? Let me show you how in under 60 seconds. This is Bing Image Creator, a free tool from Microsoft that turns your text into amazing images. Step 1. Go to bing.com, create or use the Bing app. Log in with any Microsoft account. Step 2. Use this simple prompt formula: subject, style, details, and purpose. Like a neon city skyline, cyberpunk style at night for a t-shirt design. Step 3. Click Create. Bing gives you 4 images in seconds. Zoom in, pick your favorite, and download it. Now drop it into Canva, Etsy, or even a YouTube thumbnail. And boom, you're in business. Follow for more quick AI hustle tips. Digital Divas Designs.